Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Colby. I'm a certified technician here at Giant Recreation World. Been here for about 10 years. Today we're going to talk about some preventative measures on your RV roof. So anything from your fabrics to your attachments, just taking necessary measures to save you some money down the road. So as far as sealant goes, you want to make sure that your roof is sealed with Dicor. And if you take a peek here, it's something that I noticed. This right here is silicone. That is a big no-no. This is not considered a sealant. I can literally just rip this right off. We want to use a ProFlex or Sikaflex, that sort of stuff there for your side sealing. I can literally just pull that right up. So that is not sealing the unit. It's going to allow water to get in there and cause rot to your RV. Okay, and around the attachments here, if you look here, we have a lot of voids in the sealant here, and over time that will happen. This seal's usually good for about 2 years. You want to make sure that you clean it and reapply sealant if you see any kind of voids or cracks in your RV roof here around your attachments. And then as far as the fabric, this is an EPDM rubber roof. You will start to get cracks and things of that sort, especially living here in Florida. You'll run into that issue a lot with it being out in the sun. You can put a conditioner on your roof, and then you can also use a UV protectant to protect and preserve the life of your fabric. It's very important to maintain your roof, the structure of your roof. If not, you'll be looking to spend a lot of money trying to replace your roof. It's a lot more cost efficient to keep up with the roof, to take care of your seals, to maintain the fabric on your roof, applying conditioners and things of that sort to make sure that the roof is good. Here, this looks like some sort of patch done here. So we want to be very careful about patching your roof. It's only a temporary thing. You can patch it if you like. If you run into things like this right here, you can see that they sealed over this here. But it's only temporary, because after a while that's going to wear down, and then you're going to have your roof exposed to water again. Traveling, you do want to make sure that you miss trees, because here we have an actual tear in that fabric there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's an actual tear in the fabric, probably due to a tree or something like that rubbing up against some kind of structure, causing it to tear. So I am doing a full roof replacement on this roof here. I'm gonna begin.